Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope that you will be very well and I am also very well. Today I am going to discuss mathematical tools. In last class I have already taught you about how to find the value of cos 2n pi, cos 2n plus 1 into pi, sin n pi, etc. Today I am going to discuss about tan n pi. Let's start. Now I am going to discuss what is the value of tan n pi, where n is integer. N belongs to integer. If you put n is equal to 0, then this value will be tan 0 and the value of tan 0 is 0. Okay. If you put n is equal to 1, then tan pi will be also equal to 0. Okay. If you take the value of n, if you take the value of n is equal to 2, then tan 2 pi is equal to 0. If you take n is equal to minus 2, then the value of tan minus 2 pi, tan, we know that tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, therefore tan minus 2 pi will be equal to minus tan 2 pi. Tan 2 pi is 0. 0 is multiplied by anything, result will be 0. Okay. 0 is the most powerful. If you multiply any quantity with 0, then the result will be equal to 0. Now I am going to discuss how to find the value of sine, cos, cosec, sec, tan, cot. Okay. First of all, you put 0, 1, 2, 3 and then you divide each by 4 and then after you take root. The result will be 1. This is will be equal to, this will be equal to root 3 by 2. This will be equal to 1 by root 2. This will be equal to 1 by 2 and this will be equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, in case of cos, we start from 4 and it is written in decreasing form. Here we put 1, here we put 4, here we put 3 and at this place 2 and this place we put 1 and this place we put 0. Similarly, all quantities are divided by 4 and then we take root. After taking root, find the value of these quantities. This will be 0 and this will be half. This will be 1 by root 2 and this will be root 3 by 2 and this will be 1. Okay. We can say that cos 0 degree is equal to 1, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Cosec theta into cosec theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cosec theta will be reciprocal of this. Reciprocal means 1 by this. So 1 by 0 will be equal to infinite. 1 by 1 by 2 will be equal to 2. 1 by this means that this will be reversed. This will be reversed. Similarly, the reciprocal of this will be equal to sec. Clear? We know that tan theta is equal to sine by cos. This divided by this divided by this divided by this, and so on. Okay? This divided by this, tan 0. Tan 30 degree is equal to this divided by this. Tan 45 degree is equal to this divided by this. Got it? We know that tan theta into cot theta. I have already taught you tan theta into cot theta will be equal to 1. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Means reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta. Reciprocal of 0 means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinite. Reciprocal of this means 1 by root 3. This will be equal to root 3 and so on. Okay? Reciprocal of infinite, 1 upon infinite will be equal to 0. Got it? Now I am going to discuss this. All are visible now? Now, look here. I am going to tell you about this. First of all, we divide this board into 4 quadrants. And first quadrant, and this quadrant is called first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. This is anti-clockwise. We take positive. This is clockwise, and clockwise is taken as negative. Clock means watch. Wise means according to. According to watch, if you move according to watch, then it will be clockwise. And just opposite, it will be anti-clockwise. Anti means just opposite. Here 0 degree, here 90 degree, it is converted into radian, which is equal to pi by 2. This is pi and 180 degree. This is 270 degree and or 3 pi by 2. This is 0 degree, and we move one circle. Total angle around this point will be equal to 360 degree. It will be also equal to 2 pi. Okay? This quadrant is third quadrant and this quadrant is fourth quadrant. In case of odd, O for opposite, just like tricks, O for opposite. Opposite means sine converted into cos and cos converted into sine, tan converted into cot and cot converted into tan, sec converted into cosec and cosec converted into sec. Okay? This is, now I am going to take some examples. In case of odd, sine 270 degree plus theta. Plus means you should move In which direction? In anti-clockwise direction. Plus means you should move in anti-clockwise direction. Where is 270 degree? Here is 270 degree. Okay. You should move from here in anti-clockwise direction. If you move in anti-clockwise direction, then you go to in fourth quadrant. We know that in fourth quadrant only cos and sec are positive, but remaining trigonometrical ratios are negative. Therefore, sine will be negative. In which quadrant? In fourth quadrant. This is negative. Now I am going to omit 0. If you remove 0, then 27 is remaining. 27 is odd. 27 is odd. Therefore, in case of odd, sine is converted into cos. Sine is converted into cos. Okay. Similarly, 270 degree is here. Okay. And you should move here. You should move in which direction? Negative shows clockwise direction. So you should move in clockwise direction from 270 degree point. This is clockwise direction. If you move in clockwise direction, then you will go to third quadrant. Okay. Here I observe that only tan or cot are positive, but remaining trigonometrical ratios such as cos, sec, sine, etc. are negative. Here it is sine. Therefore, it will be negative in third quadrant. This will be negative. Now I am going to remove 0. This will be odd. Therefore, sine is converted into cos theta. Okay. In case of odd, even Hindi of even is sum, same. This is only tricks, not any rule. Okay. All remain same. Sine 180 degree plus theta. This is 0 degree and this is 90 degree and this is 180 degree. And below is what? Below is 270 degree. Okay. Knee for negative. Niche means negative. Niche means negative. Sine 180 degree plus theta. Sine 180 degree. This line is 180 degree. Plus means you should move in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, you go to in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine will be negative. Okay. Now I am going to remove 0. 18 is even. Even means sum same. Means sine will remain in a sine. Therefore, sine theta. Okay. Similarly, tan 360 degree plus theta. This will be in first quadrant. Here is 360 degree. Plus sign shows that you should move in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, you will go to in first quadrant. You should go to first quadrant. Okay? In first quadrant, all are positive. Therefore, tan will be also positive. Now, I am going to omit 0 or remove 0. This will be even because 36 is even number. In case of even, all remains same. Therefore, tan will remain in 10. That's why tan 360 degree plus theta, this will be tan theta. Similarly, cosec 180 degree minus theta, this is 180 degree. Minus shows you should move in clockwise direction. Therefore, you should go to second quadrant. In second quadrant, we know that cosec is positive. Okay? Therefore, cosec 180 degree minus theta, it will be positive. Now, I am going to remove 0. Then it will be even number. Therefore, cosec will remain in cosec. Therefore, cosec 180 degree minus theta, it will be cosec theta. Okay? Find the values of x. X is equal to tan 300 degree into cos 120 degree. X is equal to sec 120 degree minus cot 240 degree. This is x is equal to tan 300 degree cos 120 degree. You can change 300 in like this. Okay? 360 degree minus 60 degree, it will be equal to 300 degree. Tan 300 can be written as like this, and cos 120 degree is written as like this. Cos 120 degree is also written as cos 90 degree plus 30 degree. Here, if you remove 0, then it will be even. This means that tan will remain in tan. Tan will remain same. Okay? In place of theta, here it is 60 degree. Tan 360 degree minus 60 degree. 360 degree is this position, and 360 degree minus 60 degree, negative sign shows that you should move in clockwise direction. This is fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan will be negative, and this after removing 0, this will be even. Even means sum same. Therefore, tan will remain in tan. Tan theta. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Tan theta. In this case, after removing 0, it will be even. Even means sum same. Cos will remain in cos, and this is 180 degree. Negative sign shows you should move in clockwise. Therefore, you will go to in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos will be negative. This cos will be negative. Okay? Negative into negative positive, tan 60 degree this and cos 60 degree this. This is the final answer. Now, I hope you can solve this question also. I am going to give, this will be answer. I am going to give homework. Find x. You will solve this question. Okay? I hope you got it. I hope you understand very well. Now I am going to end the class. Have a nice day. See you again tomorrow for namaskar from my side. Okay?